We are pleased to show you the 2025 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, hill descent control, electronic parking brake, remote engine start, stability control, braking assist, power brakes, traction control, voice-activated navigation system. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
For car buying you can trust,
Easler makes it easy.